What's up everyone, it's Caddy with MoneyVest. So in today's video, I wanted to discuss one of the companies, one of the stocks that I do strongly feel is just getting started because one of the more important indicators, which is the L3 banker oscillator, is now finally giving us a signal for this stock for the first time since October of 2023. So it's been well over 9 months, 10 months that this stock was really just not going anywhere. It was just consolidating sideways. And now we're starting to finally see this stock move higher. And of course, the resistance is also approaching for this company. But if you can get a successful breakout, I feel like there's a lot more potential for this company as well. So hope you all enjoy this video and find it helpful. If you do, make sure that you drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And again, links to our Discord and Patreon is going to be down below. There is a 51% discount that we're giving everyone for the early access to the MoneyVest beta launch. We're going to be having this launch in the first week of July. We've been working on this project for now over 6 months. I've put my heart and soul into this project with a lot of money that's been spent on data. So your pricing is going to be locked forever if you do decide to join. That's going to be a special pricing with, like I said, a 51% discount. On top of that, you can also get an additional 16% annual discount if you do decide to sign up on a yearly basis. So links going to be down below. We'll love to have you on board. You can access the entire platform and there's going to be more features, functionality, and tools added over time as well. So the stock that we're talking about today, and before we get into that, I want to quickly break down the L3 banker oscillator, which is essentially an oscillator or technical indicator that's been created on TradingView that tracks the large funds or banker funds are often refreshed to as a whale. So that's what they're referred to as a whale, as in a big institutional investor. And whales can have a significant impact on the price movements in various markets, and the L3 banker fund flow trend oscillator can give you a model of complete banker fund flow operation in cycles. So basically the key signals are, the more important signal is the yellow candle. The yellow candle is essentially when there's an institutional investor or a quote-unquote whale entering that stock. The green candles are increasing of those positions by the whales or the bankers. The white candles are going to be them decreasing their positions, and the red candles are bankers or whales exiting or quitting their positions, and blue candles are going to be weak rebounds. So very, very important candles are going to be yellow and green. Well, guess what? PayPal is a stock that is now seeing both yellow and green for the first time, as you can see over here, since October of 2023. So the last time we really witnessed over here was October of 23. And guess what? We saw a very, very nice momentum here for this entire L3 banker oscillator. So we did see a lot of momentum at the time, and now once again we're seeing this just getting started with some institutional investors with the L3 banker oscillator also suggesting for more volume coming in. So volume was of course higher yesterday. It is on track to being higher today as well. So resistance right now, huge area of supply here between $68 to as much as $70 supply for PayPal, and that's also a double and a triple top resistance for the company from the past as well. So one development also is Monday's announcement that Christopher Natali has been appointed as the company's vice president and chief accounting officer effective June 20th. And Natali brings a wealth of experience, having previously served in key finance roles, and analysts have also become incrementally more positive on PayPal since the company reported first quarter earnings. And one of the research analysts, Mizuho analyst Dan Dolev, also upgraded the stock, taking PayPal from neutral to a buy rating, and also increasing the target from 68 to as much as $90. And then Summit Data also initiated coverage on PayPal with a buy rating and the price target of $80 a share. One more thing I want to mention is that we also had the investor conference late Wednesday, and Dolev thinks that investors are coming around to the opportunity that presented by PayPal's new Fast Lane product, which aims to speed up guest checkout. And this was also, Alex Chris sounding very bullish during the investor conference. And PayPal stock obviously rose 5.5% Thursday, trading to record the largest single day percentage increase since January 19th. And reading further, he says, and I quote, and this was Alex Chris, we're sitting on one of the largest two-sided ecosystems in the world and have just a tremendous opportunity to leverage data and leverage this global ecosystem to delight customers, so a lasting innovation. Of course, he added that PayPal was still the #1 player in branded checkout, albeit with room to improve on some things. And the place we're falling down right now the most is through mobile. And added that PayPal sees a chance to fix that through new product innovations as well. And finally, people are really waking up to the fast lane opportunity, branded checkouts, and we've been getting a lot of traction from investors following that analysis. Moving forward, again, profitability-wise, revenue-wise, it's been on a very, very nice, consistent trend. As we've already discussed, that PayPal overall, fundamentally speaking, is still one of the best companies out there, with consistently growing revenues, consistently growing cash flows, profitability, net income, and EBITDA as well. And growth trajectory-wise, it's been also a perfect 10 on 10 rating. The company has maintained a 3-year revenue growth rate per share of 14.2%. and a 5-year rate of growth of 16.2% as well, with the valuation continues to trade at a reasonably low levels as well. So if you come over to statistics, we're looking at a little bit over 2 times sales and just over 16, under 17 times earnings, with a little bit over 12, almost 13 times cash flows as well. And if you take a look at the earnings expectations, yes, they're expected to slightly decline in 2024 from $5.10 down to $4.12, and then steadily increase up to as much as $5.12 by the year 2027 as well. And revenue expected to continue to increase from $29-30 billion to well over $38, almost $40 billion by 2027 as well. Balance sheet continues to be strong with negative net debt, and cash flows are also expected to continue to increase on an annual basis. You can see they've been pretty stable at well over 4.2 to as much as $5 billion for the company as well. So this is a company that I feel has been undervalued for far too long, and it's been consolidating sideways. And I do believe that investors are finally waking up to the fact that there is opportunity in PayPal as it continues to perform well. The artificial intelligence integration along with branded checkouts, and of course Alex Chris's new profitable growth strategy starting to come into fruition is going to be executed well. And the only real sort of thing that we need to wait and see for is really there's going to be a lot of institutional involvement, and if there is a potential for a breakout beyond this resistance of $68 to as much as $70 per share, because the moment it breaks above $70, that's going to be the first time since August of 2023 that PayPal is going to be trading above $71 per share, and the next resistance and target is going to be all the way up to as much as $77 per share. So this right here is going to be that level to watch for PayPal, and that again is the potential for breakout for PayPal as well. So that is going to be that next target to watch for PayPal, all the way up to as much as $88 per share. But of course, we'll talk about that when we get there. But this right here, again, keep in mind that this is a start of some potential momentum, considering that there is a yellow candle and some green candles once again coming in, with some bigger inflows from institutions, from the banker, fund oscillator here suggesting for some whales entering the stock as well. And that could lead to a potential breakout above this resistance. But that is going to be the huge area of supply for us to watch. A triple and a quadruple top resistance for PayPal in and around that $68 to as much as $70 level. So hope you all enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. As always, if you enjoyed it, found it helpful, make sure that you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and also don't forget the 51% discount available until the end of this month, along with a 16% annual discount if you want access to our MoneyVest beta launch that we're doing in the first week of July. As always, happy investing. I'll see you all in the next video.